Hello everyone, welcome to my new vlog. So yes, मैंने कहा था कि yes I will be regular on this vlogs and everything. So yes, here is another one. So today I am at Covent Garden, and you know it's a nice place to be around this holiday season. And मैं last year भी आया था यहाँ पे, but तब मैं इतना कुछ ये vlog वगैरह का कुछ नहीं करता था. So yeah, today I am here, and it's very nice to come back here. And it's very beautiful also. So let me show you how this place looks like during this holiday season. Yeah, it's a must come. So if you are coming to UK in holiday seasons or any time around the year, please do visit this place, because in summers also this place is very nice. And yeah, this is the last weekend of this 2024. So yeah, let's make most of it. This year was a lesson for each and every one. Right, but I hope next year would be fine and good. So without wasting any further more time, let me show you how this place look like. कुछ खाने पीने का देखते हैं, because I am starving to be honest with you, and दिखाता हूँ आपको बाकी चीज़ें भी. So let's go inside this place. So guys, ये कुछ ऐसा दिखता है. They have a big Christmas tree and it's been decorated with all the lights and everywhere. And you have brands also. You can come and shop over here also. यहाँ पे एक बहुत लंबी queue है. मुझे नहीं पता किस चीज़ की है. Maybe some brand is there which people have queued up to buy their last ending year gifts. But yeah, this is good, cool, nice place. And you have lots of eating options also over here. And मैं भी कुछ देखता हूँ यार, कुछ खाऊँगा. एक यहाँ पे famous हाँ, I hope people would recognize this place. I once had a coffee from here. Yeah, this is it. And ये इनका eating का area है. And sometimes I'll be honest with you, ये सब कुछ इतना अच्छा लगता है. It feels like that कि किसी ने कोई canvas पे paint किया हुआ है. And we are just witnessing to that. So जो मैंने आपको अभी दिखाया था कॉफ़ी शॉप का, ये उसकी क्यू है. People have queued up just for a cup of coffee or maybe a cake or something. But yeah, this is nice. ये यहाँ का एक famous बार है. इसकी सीटिंग और इसका व्यू बहुत सही है. समर्स में बहुत अच्छा है. I've been to this place, but मैं अब नहीं जाऊँगा because I know I have to wait for a longer time to just get inside of it. So yeah, so now we are in Apple Market. So इसके अंदर चलते हैं और यहाँ देखते हैं यहाँ पे क्या क्या है. So yes, this is the entrance of Apple Market, but it's too much crowded. I think everyone is out of house today just to enjoy the last weekend of this year. And if I'll go from here, you will find lots of brands. Right, you got your Tom Fords, you got your Godiva, and everyone is here. So you can shop also if you don't want to enjoy. You can come and shop, and they have a kind of a flea market also, wherein you can get your customized perfumes and artifacts or maybe some dressing things. But yeah, it's good. And around the year ये place ऐसा ही रहता है. कोई change नहीं होता. But हाँ, during summers it's a bit more calm. And yeah, if you're coming on a weekday, then for sure you want to enjoy the shopping and food, because weekend पे ही अच्छा, weekends पे बहुत busy है, as you can see. And yeah, this is it. So now I need a place or I need something to eat. मुझे अब ये struggle है कि मैं खाऊं क्या, because इसके बाद मुझे आज अपना एक टीम डिनर पे भी जाना है, because it's been pending from so long. So today we all have decided to go for a dinner. So यहाँ से मैं जल्दी से wrap up करके I'll go for a team dinner. हो सका तो वहाँ का कुछ दिखा दूँगा, but it depends कि like मेरे colleagues वगैरह if they feel comfortable in facing the cameras, because everyone is not. But yeah, more or less this is the one. Yeah, I am back inside the flea market. So as you can see, यहाँ पे बहुत कुछ है. If you want to go for a shopping and everything, you got your bags and your hats, your frames, your t-shirts and everything. Jewelry, yeah, jewelry ये बहुत मिलती है यार, पता नहीं क्यों मिलती है, but हाँ बहुत मिलती है. And if you are like into art or something, you get your paintings over here. You customize भी करते हैं. This is what I know. And you got some fancy candles, or I can say sexy candles, right? And yeah, here you go. We have Top Gun, we have Avengers, we have Beatles, and they also deal in the records, which is not worth buying of me because मेरे पास record player नहीं है. But one fine day I would like to buy a painting from here. So yeah, handmade art, as it says, handmade art. You got your cuffling things, which is nice and pretty. And this is how they decorate and celebrate this all holiday season. And yeah, आ रहे हो प्लीज़ अपने फ़ोन्स वगैरह का ध्यान रखना. पिक पॉकेटिंग काफ़ी होती है यहाँ पे. सो या मैंने अपना ध्यान रखा हुआ है फ़ोन का, तभी मैंने उसको हाथ में रखा हुआ है. एंड या यू गॉट योर many brands over here. They got like this. यार भूख लगी है, खाना दे दो कोई. उसकी याद आ गई. तो एक मिस्टर इंडिया में था ना कैलेंडर, भूख लगी है खाना दो. अब मेरी भी आज यही फीलिंग है, कैलेंडर भूख लगी है खाना दो. But sometimes I wonders how much they spend on this all decoration and everything, which is good because that if you're investing money, that brings you money also. And हाँ, अगर आवाज़ अच्छी ना आए, वॉइस क्वालिटी अच्छी ना हो, so I'm really sorry for that. मेरा माइक अभी तक नहीं आया. I don't know what's the reason. I have to contact the company कि भेज रहे हो या नहीं भेज रहे हो, बता दो. Or else I can go for some other options. And yeah, here it is. It's like a never-ending flea market. So बहुत कुछ है. चलते रहो, देखते रहो, परचेज करना है करो, up to you. But yeah, some of the things are over here, big and good cafes. For that, you should be prepared of the queues. As you can see, I'm not sure why people are so much obsessed with cafes and everything. But it's okay, fine. सबकी अपनी अपनी विश होती है, अपनी अपनी मर्जी होती है. You can't force or you cannot say anything to anyone. But yeah, ओए बच्चों के टॉयज़ भी हैं यहाँ पे. Wow. And ये इसका नेक्स्ट पार्ट है. As I said, ये बहुत बड़ी मार्केट है यार. Covent Garden is one of the biggest tourist attraction in London. And yeah, this is it. So I'll show you the next area, the next entry or exit we can say. And you got your live music. This feels like you are in Italy, Venice. बहुत अच्छी प्लेस है ये. बट अभी यहाँ पे ऑप्शन नहीं है बैठने का because all these tables are booked. I have checked it and there's also a queue for it. But yeah, if you are coming here, trust me, you should try their pasta. And yeah, pasta is good. If you are a big eating fan of lasagna, you can have lasagna as well. But yeah, pasta is really good, amazing over here. So yeah, ये उसका second area है. More or less देखने में सेम ही है because of the decoration and everything. But yeah, अच्छा तो काफ़ी है. But अब मुझे कुछ खाने का फिर से देखना है. Yeah, this is it. So generally मैं सेंट्रल लंदन में इसलिए कवर करता हूँ बिकॉज आई स्टे प्रिटी क्लोज टू सेंट्रल लंदन. आई स्टे इन जोन 5. So those who are living here, they know it's been divided in 6 zones. I stay in zone 5 and very soon I'm going to make a video about zones कि अगर आप यहाँ पे आ रहे हो in future, which zone would be best for you in terms of accommodation and traveling. Because जहाँ मैं रहता हूँ zone 5 में, वहाँ से commuting to central is like it's close to 1 hour 10 minutes. But yeah, again you get the perk of visiting सेंट्रल लंदन ईच एंड एवरी डे, विच इज़ गुड बिकॉज लाइवली है यार, बहुत लाइवली है. आपको यहाँ पे हर एक इंसान दिखता है हंसता हुआ. ठीक है, कोई परेशान भी दिखता होगा, बट ज़्यादातर हंसते हुए दिखते हैं. सो इट गिव्स यू अ गुड वाइब, गुड कॉन्फिडेंस ऑल्सो. एंड या मैं बनाऊँगा एक जोन्स के ऊपर बनाऊँगा वीडियो सो दैट यू डोंट एंड अप पेइंग मच मोर ऑन योर एकोमोडेशन बिकॉज accommodation in London is expensive. if you are staying in near close to central London. And as I said that कि सब कुछ बहुत ही busy है, बहुत busy है, right? ये इसका अदर सेक्शन है, यहाँ पे सब कैफ़ेज़ हैं, all about cafes and everything. So you have lots of option to have food and everything. And this is something, again, the market view. And आगे I believe last time when I came I had something from the food truck. I believe यहाँ पे इस टाइम वो होना चाहिए. If not then it's okay, perfectly fine. At least I'm able to get some good vibes from this place. But yeah, so let me see what all I can show you here. But yeah, pretty much it. आप यहाँ पे आके बोर नहीं हो सकते हो. Come, do visit, and it's really nice, yeah, really nice. घूमने फिरने के बाद I end up buying the same thing, which is hot dog. मेरा फेवरेट है, मुझे अच्छा लगता है खाने में, इसलिए I love it. तो मैंने आज भी यही चूज़ किया. ऑप्शंस बहुत थे. आई वुड हैव गॉन फॉर फिश एंड चिप्स और मे बी जैकेट पोटैटो. बट या, व्हेन इट कम्स टू हॉट डॉग, आई लव हॉट डॉग्स. सो या, लेट मी enjoy दिस वन एंड आई विल सी यू शॉर्टली. आई होप मेरा आज का व्लॉग यहाँ पे एंड हो जाएगा बिकॉज आई हैव कवर्ड अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स ओवर हियर. But let me have it and then I'll see you shortly. Thanks. So yes guys, so we'll end this vlog today. आज का vlog यहीं पे end करते हैं. It was nice to meet you all again. And yes, this was a nicest place again I've been to. And अच्छा लगा आके यहाँ पे. So I'll see you shortly in another vlog. Till then, guys, be safe, be healthy, right? And I wish you in advance Happy New Year 2025. May next year will be rocking and good for all of you, including me also. But हाँ, उससे पहले अगर कोई vlog बनता है तो I'll try to post it. But till then, be safe and yeah, happy 2025. Ciao guys.